In this tutorial, we will learn how to create text stretch animation in After Effects. First, create a new composition and name it Text Stretch. Set width and height to 1920 by 1080. Then set frame rate to 25 and duration to 4 seconds and click OK button. Then select Type tool from toolbar and type text. Go to Toolbar again and select Selection tool, then align text to the center. Select Text layer and press S to scale text. Again, align text to the center. Right-click on text layer and select Create Shapes from Text. Now delete the text layer. Select Shape layer and type on search bar Path. Select all paths and click on Stopwatch. Move indicator 1 second forward. Then select the top parts of text and move them up. Now select the bottom parts of text and move them down. Select first all keyframes and copy them by pressing Ctrl and C. Move indicator 1 second forward and paste them by pressing Ctrl and V. Now move the indicator to start position. Press spacebar to preview. Press spacebar to stop preview. Now go to File, then Save as to save file. Give file a name. If you want to make video of it, then go to File, then Export and select Add to Render Queue. Select Best Setting and press OK button. Click Lossless and select Video Format. AVI format will take large disk space, try to avoid it. If you already installed QuickTime, you can export it in movie format, or download Vocoder plugin for MP4 format. I will use Vocoder. Now on Output to set file name and press Save button. Finally, click Render button and the rendering will start. When rendering is complete, you can open the file and play your video. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.